Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. This is the first installment of my new Buy It or Build It series. And as you can see, I'm back in the garden. Everybody knows what this is. It's a planter, a container. Basically, I buy these when I need to. I try not to, but I buy them at the end of the season in the fall, or I buy them before the winter's over, usually around February or March. I picked this up for about 10 bucks. I think they sell for between $13 and $14, but we're not going to use that today because in the new series, today we're going to do something different. We're going to build our own container for free. This doesn't look like it's going to hold anything because it's full of holes, but we're going to rectify that situation right quick. I see these all the time on the sides of stores. I mean, you can go in and ask the store owner if they have any laying around or any available. I mean, I guess you could buy them from like Walmart, but in my area, they're not hard to come by. So what we're going to do is convert this into a usable container. Now, not too long ago, I went to a flea market and I was able to pick up this roll of burlap. Basically, this cost me $5, but not everybody can just waltz into the flea market and find a deal like this. So there's another alternative. And that is this landscaping material here. This cost me $5 also. Now, the difference is everybody can pretty much pick this up from Dollar General. A lot of the dollar stores sell this, and this is what I generally use. I'm able to cover the inside of these crates by using this fabric. I started using this is my third summer, and I was able to do 5 crates. So it's $1 a crate as opposed to $10 to $12 for 1 crate. So do the math, you're going to pay minimum $50 that way. This is going to require a little work, but it's worth it. Now, I did say free. So I have another option. If you don't want to spend any money, and I understand it's not going to be the most beautiful looking container, but if you're on a budget, you're more concerned about the results and not the appearance. So my third option may surprise you. Yes, it's a paper bag. Happens to be Kroger, but basically I'm going to line this with this bag and fill it with soil so that I can grow with it. Now I know what you're thinking. Paper, how long is that going to last? Will it hold soil? Will it hold water? The answer is yes to all the above. I ran out of my original material when I first built this. This is my third summer that I'm actually going to be using these. So I used the paper bag and it worked perfectly for a year and a half. So I'm going to put this in and basically show you how I've done it. That's pretty much all that's to it. I'm going to trim down the sides, fill it with soil, and we're good. That's it. It's the second week of spring. I'm still in a transitional stage, but these are the containers I built 2 years ago. As I said earlier, I was able to do 5 of these with 1 roll of the material that I brought from Dollar General, and they're still going strong. Obviously, I'm going to need to redo these pots, but this will be the 3rd summer that I'll be using these. So I practice what I preach. If you go this route, it'll cost you $5 to do about 5 of these, and I have another 6 or 7 on the other side. So that's it for my buy it or build it today. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Post your questions and comments below. And always remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from.